Hey guys, I need to wrap up something quickly. What's the difference between ACOS and TACOS? I think a lot of people get confused by this and they start measuring the wrong things. So let's do a little bit of a PPC advertising session here. So ACOS, advertising cost of sales, okay? TACOS, total advertising cost of sales. Big difference there, okay? So your ACOS is measuring then specific campaigns or the portfolios that you've created for that specific product, okay? That specific product, multiple products within them, campaigns, categories, portfolios, etc. That's that measurement. And a lot of people, say like, oh, you've got a really bad ACOS, etc., when sometimes that might not be right, because if someone's spending, if someone's got a bad ACOS and they're spending £10 on that sale, £10 to get 2 sales, right? But they might have got 98 organic sales on that day, and the fact that their ACOS is high doesn't really matter, because organically it's just helping them stay in that organic that organic spot. Can't get my words out. That organic spot. So your ACOS is the individual advertising cost, okay, for them portfolios. What is wrong with my speaking today? And then your TACOS is the total advertising cost. So that's your organic sales and your advertising cost, okay? So that's the difference between them. I would personally always measure TACOS, okay? Now I used to measure ACOS, now I measure TACOS, okay? Obviously we measure ACOS in an individual basis, because I'm running multiple campaigns to get my brands out there, but TACOS is what we look at really. But on top of TACOS, I want to jump on something else here. A lot of the time, TACOS and ACOS are not even relevant, in my opinion, because I'm looking at my keyword rank, okay? I'm tracking my keywords, and sometimes the goal isn't to get a good TACOS or a good ACOS. The goal for a campaign, especially in launch phase, when you're launching a campaign, can be to get your keyword ranking. So I'm tracking my keywords, and as long as I can see that rank improving, the organic rank, okay, that's sometimes in launch phase what I'm tracking for. I'm looking to get that organic rank up. As long as that's moving up, that's where I'm measuring it. I'm not measuring it from TACOS or ACOS. But the difference in TACOS or ACOS is the difference in your total advertising cost or your advertising cost, okay? That's the difference between TACOS and ACOS, but sometimes you don't need to measure both. If you're in launch phase, you need to be measuring your organic rank. So I hope that video has helped. That was just a quick one, because I see a lot of people not really sure the difference between ACOS and TACOS, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Hey guys, just a really quick note here, just to say that Awesome is sponsoring this podcast. It's not even a podcast, it's a YouTube channel. They're sponsoring this YouTube channel, and below there's 2 links. One of them gives you 2 months free accounting, and I've been using them for ages and ages and ages. Awesome service, pardon the pun. Or the other link down there is just £12, and they will set up a limited company for you and a business bank account. So yeah, I've been using Awesome for a long time, and I would recommend them. Anyway, let's get back to the video.